We're outside. And it's like really freezing. Hello? And it's really snowing outside, and my damn brother is sliding down the streets, which is not cool. And my dad is not here. Oh, it's cold. I can't even walk out here. I can't go through trash can. Ten cuidado. Johnny, no!
No, dobla.
Get.
Dobla.
Hello, you two. Say hi.
No.
Hi.
Hell yeah.
Stop it. We're gonna go inside here.
How old is this thing?
I don't know. It's scary. Holy crap. What? Wait. Idiot. Crack it.
Oye, there's mommy's room.
That's my room. No, that's your room.
That's mommy.
No, the other one. We're gonna die.
Oh, God, let's party.
Hope we don't fall. Oh, shit. Good morning. Not funny.
Funny.
Stop it. Oh, shit. Johnny, let's go back.
Why didn't the other side?
Come down this. Huh? Get some help now. I don't know what I'm doing. This is dangerous. Oh crap. Look how icy it is. It's all ice. I'm really bad at vlogging right now. What? Wait. Okay. Oh shit. Oh no.
You on there?
No.
You on there?
It's Bigfoot. Oh no. Ah!
This thing's heavy.
How heavy is it?
Like 3 pounds.
Holy crap. I'm not going now.
Weenie.
I'm not going there.
What's your room?
Let me see. Yeah. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh shit. Room. Boom, boom, boom. This is not fun. Not fun. Look how. Look. Not fun. At all. We're gonna the backyard again. Or I don't know what my brother's doing. Day 2. Snowy. Really snowy. And we're heading upstairs. It's like I'm like stop. Oh shit. Oh, forget about that. Yeah. Show you the picture I took. That's how icy it is, and we're back. really bad at vlogging right now. The bag. Oh, that hurts.
How?
The ice. Get it healthy on your leg, ma'am.
The irony.
How is it irony?
I really get I just need to say irony.
You just love irony.
Yeah.
You love cheese.
That's for the rats.
No.
The rats is allergic to cheese?
I'm not sure, probably.
It is, because rats, their mouth loves cheese, and this one is allergic to it. It's irony. Like when Lisa got detection.
Oh. Caveman. Ooh. Ooh. No. This is going on YouTube. Sucking your dog. What was that for?
Video? Ooh, Facebook.
Oh. That's crazy. Get it.
I'm scared.
Get it! Does he?
Just keep it.
Ooh.
Just keep it.
Okay.
Just freeze it.
Why?
Until we found a cure.
Huh?
That's how we found. Let's like have a base. Go basically and let someone sign it, then sell it for millions later. Really good with peanut yellow.
Boom! Let's try to hide it and find it later. Should we do that?
Yeah.
Or should I hide it?
Yeah.
I don't know. Is my face red? Tell me now. Go over here. Let's go in the van somewhere. There's usually like a river, right, Ronnie?
Huh?
There's usually like a river.
I know.
And then like grass right there. I'm in the river. Help me. Holy crap. Look how icy. Oh my god. This is not fun. I want to go to school. This is boring. I love the snow, no school. But I want to do something. Yeah. This sucks. They say it's like since 1996 this happened. State of emergency. The governor said that. Wow. I just like saying that, but it's a woman. This is a boring vlog of me crushing the ice. Oh no. Oh. Look in there. You can see. Crap, I'm horrible. I don't know. I'm scared. Yeah. Holy crap, stop. It's vlogging. Day one of vlogging. Kind of. But I have. Ah! Holy crap, is a. You can stand anything.
I found silver.
No, you don't. Where is it? It's grass.
No, right here.
I found it. Gold.
It's not gold, silver.
This is funny. Ah, it's your teeth. You can do it to your teeth. Do the 7 tooth. Stop. Ah, don't eat it. Huh? You're nasty. You're nasty. There's where we go. Which is scary. Everything's so goddamn cold. I mean white. Oops. I don't know if you vlog like this, that way, on your face. Lady, oh! Fail.
Okay.
Get another one. You just did it a few moments ago. Just, oh!
Ah, I got in my shirt. I got in my shirt.
that sucks for you. I'm trying to get out of the side. You better not drop my glove.
This is it. This is it.
Oh! You just... I didn't even think I videotaped that.
Damn it. Okay.
I think I was like a little bit under. Just try this one.
Okay, I do it for myself.
Come on. This is real, people. It's not big. 1, 2, 3. How does it feel, sir?
I feel dizzy and I want chocolate rain.
Simple. Ooh. My hands are cold. And oh, you should have fell, bro.
What?
Like frog splash to the ice.
I know that. Here, hit me with this.
I'll hit you with this. I'll hit you with this.
Hit me with this. I got to with this.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh my gosh, your hoodie.
What?
So icy.
Cool. Here's your glove.
You're my little Nick Foley. You're my Mr. Xoxo.
I want Mr. Xoxo. Hello, Xoxo.
No, build your own Xoxo. God, you're going crazy. Okay, you're creeping me out. You're creeping me out, bro. It's creeping me out.
I hit. Wait, what's the other side? Let's see the other side of the world.
I don't even know if I can try to.
How about this one?
I don't know. I don't know what's out there.
How about this one?
No, my glove. No, you bitch.
I'll hit myself hard. I'm gonna be like Nick Floyd.
Okay.
Where's your other glove?
My glove, you horse.
Be
My
careful.
hands are to go cold.
This is my torch.
I might wake up tomorrow morning without no hands. I mean hand. I'm not even recording.
You're a bag.
It sucks.
You're a bag.
One more time.
And I found a big ass.
I wasn't even recording. Talked about for like 45 seconds. I don't know, 45 minutes. But I don't know how much time. It says 45 something. Which sucks. Lost footage. Or really never existed. Just in my brain. We're talking about the 2012.
Hey.
Yeah, paranoid man right there. It jumps on the ice.
Man. I'm drowning.
It's gonna show us his ice he found. Or he's gonna keep nagging me if I don't. So yeah. Annoying little chihuahua.
Annoying dog.
The most annoying, unfriendly dog in the whole world. We don't know where he is. Over there. It's a monkey, bro.
Yeah.
It's ice. Pressure. 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 That sounds wrong.
I can't hit it. I will.
Are you serious? It's gonna go ice. That's the ice. That's really big. I'm happy. So yeah. Say bye.
Bye, ice.
Not the ice. To the YouTube. Come on. Come on, bro. Say bye. Come on, bro.
Wait.
Say bye.
Bye.
Come on, bro. Bro, say bye.
Bye. Ik van de ijskorrel.
So yeah, thanks for watching for this really snowy, icy vlog. Day 1 of me and this douchebag life, which is not really interesting. So yeah, we might vlog about our trip to where? To where?
Mexico?
Oh,
We did your film.
our trip to.
Snackdown?
Yes, we're vlogging it. Right?
Where's your shirt? Where's your Team Puck shirt? Where everything? Yeah, order.
I look like I really such a mark if I really wore that. Super fan package t-shirt I got from Literary Shop. I'll put it up in my other videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like,
nothing.
comment, or...
Do nothing.
Oh yeah, do nothing.
Or hate us. Or dislike us. Or sue us. Anything you want us to do, as long as I'm a kid.
You're not even allowed to even have a YouTube account.
I'm 24 plus 12. I mean, stupid already.
So yeah, thanks for watching. Which sucks. Because this sucks of a vlog today. Because it's snowing.
I wanna go sledding now.
No. You can't, not.
I wanna fuck kangaroo.
Kangaroo? No. No. Thanks for watching.